Trucks head-on collision in Dongmukak, 3 persons severely injured. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. You're with your host Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for this morning. Now the news in details. There has been increasing numbers of accidents reported from the NH36 areas since the beginning of this year. In yet another accident which occurred on Saturday, 3 persons were seriously injured during a head-on collision between 2 trucks. The accident took place on Saturday when the entire world was busy with the observation of Environment Day. The mishap occurred near Dongmukak Sarjeng BOC on the NH36 under Dongmukak Police Station. One LP truck with registration number AS09C5083 and a dumper truck with no registration number collided head-on, resulting in injuries of 3 persons. The driver of the LP truck lost his sense due to the severe injuries he sustained in the accident. He was taken to the Dongmukak Health Center. On the other hand, the 2 persons coming on the dumper truck were identified as 35 years old Kesav Chandra Das and 30 years old Dayal Das. Both had also suffered serious injuries and were taken to Dongmukak Primary Healthcare Hospital for immediate medical attention. However, the condition of the injured persons worsened and was later taken to Nagaon Civil Hospital for further treatment. Samsing Engti from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. With monsoon hitting some parts of the district, residents of Dhoniram Ingti village located under the 25 Nilip development block has expressed their deep dismay over the lack of good road for their village. The latest rain has worsened the communication woes of the villagers, affecting daily lives. This is the only road for the village, and the latest rain has added to the plight of the people as the rainwater gets clogged and making the road muddy and slippery. In addition to this, the road becomes extremely difficult and risky for villagers to walk or ride through with vehicles due to the roots, holes and waterlogging. The countless strikes of human and repeated passage of wheels of vehicles which are left becomes more dangerous for children, women and elderly to cross or reach their destination or home during rainy season. According to locals, the road commencing from the spot near Kasomari Presbyterian Church to Rongbin area, measuring approximately 2 kilometers, was leveled with sand gravel stone in the month of January and February, but the road falling under Dhoniram Ingti village, around 40 meters of road was left out, due to which residents of these villages are suffering, and therefore has urged upon the authority and concerned department to take up their issue and take measures to end their genuine problems and pain. Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Residents of Baglangso number 1 area has urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for immediate intervention for early completion of the RCC bridge over Horichanpi River along the RJ road which passes through Sangtiadong. Our correspondent has sent us this report. Located in Jang-et Terang village, Sangtihidi or Balipathar area, falling under the 22 Sarupathar constituency, huge population of the area are severely affected by daily life hamper due to the abandonment of the construction work of RCC bridge due to reasons only best known to the contractor and the concerned department. People of the area, especially people who needs medical treatment, have been facing toughest time as ambulance could not enter the village due to the incomplete road. Following this, Baglangso number 1 village headman Mukrang Terang and headman of Sumronghang village has urged upon local elected representative and EM Jagat Singh Ingti to make spot visit to acquaint with the condition of the people and status of the bridge. Further, the villagers has urged upon the KAAC CEM, MP and MLAs for their immediate intervention and action for early completion of the road to end their road problem once for all.
Nilimen ke samrong hang koloni di tarong asalo. La si nilitum da ke do kisung ke boy lahai ko fifi ke sung doma ko fifi ke boy doma puta dorkho alang le sal ki na se jiwon pathok kali ha o jo ko sing ti alang li ta nang lang fiple kisung ke boy ko sono ma to war ko sono ma ta e boy baga ke wang pu thek long le la si nang le tumal long sarkar sa ro phan se ta me นางลีโยนายโดนล้อนางเจทานโดนล้อเราเสียนิดนึงก็กิสุ่งก็บอยยังเสียอันนี้สิเฮตาอะไรที่เมกฟลองก็ปอนเราสอเดลงรอยไรตาจัดลงก็คลุดูจีเราให้อันนั้นก็ต้นนาโดนล้อเราสินางเลตุมสกัดสอร์เป็ดเสตามเขับยินเป็นนางปัตตังยาพันเสนีตุกเป็นนางโชดิงรีโดนอีกล้ออันเสกเมนางยาพันปูนางเลตุมนางท่านบอมนางท่านบอมล้อเล็กซ้อนรุยแล้วตั้งแต่เกวังเดินปังลุ่มเตะพ่อนอนเล็กซ้อนจุดก็ฟีเกทั้งกันนางหลังเลยได้เลยฮัลโหลโซฮุเกนังท่านปอต่อหลายอิเล็กซอนปตังเห็นนังหออิเล็กซอนปะหาเห็นนังหออันนั้นเตลสกาล้อมแต่ตังลูกปัวมานนพูดวังเวอันนี้การตาเราสอนสีอลังลีตุมจุมาทานโนบีจีพีสกัดไม่แน่เลยผู้สินังท่านบอมเหตุตอนนี้ตุมละให้นังลังเลยเดียกเก็ไม่ลงเลยเดียดบิสาสิดกอกลงเราสินังเลยตุมพันนังชนิงรีลงอันนั้นลูกกาดอง
เราบางสอดดิลงกิคิมกิเชงเป็นนอันอาร์ตากอนบักดูปะ
กันทรัพย์ด้วยป่ะ
กันทรัพย์
แล้วนอนกิมตังเดินลงไปกิมตังเดินลงเลยนังทอกเทเกนี่กันทรอกบักอัตราโดลู
Subhas Terang's report from Langchathing for Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.